Okay, we're taking you right now to breaking news we've got coming in from Kerala, where the Chief Minister of Kerala is hitting out at Rahul Gandhi. We'll just bring you the context. Remember, Rahul Gandhi is going to be contesting once again from his incumbent seat of Wayanad. Against him is the senior CPI leader Annie Raja, wife of the General Secretary D. Raja. She's a senior leader in her own right. Right now, Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan hitting out at Rahul Gandhi, saying it's ironic that Rahul Gandhi and V.D. Satheesan from the same Congress party question why the Chief Minister doesn't speak out against the Prime Minister. The left doesn't require the validation of the Congress to oppose the Prime Minister's misguided policies. Remember, we've seen the Chief Minister of Kerala hit out several times in the last few days at the Congress. Let's go over to our colleague Neetu Regukumar for more context on this particular comment. Neetu, over to you.
Ever since the elections are in place, the Chief Minister has been hitting out against the Congress and Rahul Gandhi also. But has Rahul Gandhi spoken against the CAA? So this is something which the Chief Minister has had to get asked. Now, today while addressing what he said, it's ironic that Rahul Gandhi has why the Chief Minister speaks out against him. And he goes on validation from the Congress to oppose PM Modi's now.
Okay, we've lost that connection. We'll try to establish a more, as you can see, stable connection. But just let's bring you context here. This is not the first time, as we told you, that the Chief Minister has hit out at Rahul Gandhi. We've seen a heightened level of attacks. The key accusation that the left is making, we've had several senior leaders in the left in Kerala make this statement, is why Rahul Gandhi is pitching himself in Wayanad against a left leader. Now, there is a BJP leader who's running against him. There's K. Surendran. He heads the BJP Kerala unit. But this region is largely believed to be, as we've told you earlier, a CPI bastion. Now, obviously, Rahul Gandhi, the incumbent MP, he won by a huge margin in 2019 in this region. Let's go back to Neetu Regukumar to understand more. Neetu, over to you.
No, right from the time the elections have begun, we have heard the Chief Minister time and again criticizing the Congress and Rahul Gandhi also, especially in the matters of CAA. So when Rahul Gandhi visited last time in Wayanad, he has also made an attack against the Chief Minister, saying, why is the Chief Minister not speaking against the Prime Minister Modi or the RSS? It is basically in response to that we can hear the Chief Minister saying this today, that the CPM doesn't need validation from them. See, even there is a tough fight going on between the Congress and the left front in Kerala. Last time we know that about 19 of the 20 Lok Sabha seats are with the Congress-led UDF. So the CPIM and the LDF is trying hard to regain some of those seats, and the Congress is also trying. So this is something which within the state we are seeing, and since Rahul Gandhi is contesting from Wayanad, this is something which the left front had taken opposition to in the beginning itself, saying that what is the message that the Congress is trying to say by Rahul Gandhi contesting from Wayanad. This is something which is time and again a matter of contention between the left and the Congress in Kerala.
Neetu, thank you for bringing us those details.